We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey Josh, how's Nova City?
Hey, Jen, it's been amazing. The convention went great. I got to meet some big names, and they loved my pitch for our new YouTube series for Vox English.
That's awesome. So you're at the airport now?
Yep, just waiting for my flight. Shouldn't be long now. I can't wait to get back. Tomorrow is the big Christmas Eve party.
You better get here soon. They're saying a snowstorm's coming in tonight. I hope your flight isn't delayed.
Don't worry, I've got this. By tomorrow morning, I'll be there to help with the final touches.
All right then, I can't wait to see you. Safe travels. Please let him get home before the storm.
Attention passengers, this is a travel update for Flight 101 to Quipdale. Due to the ongoing snowstorm, the flight has been delayed. We apologize for the inconvenience and will provide updates as soon as more information becomes available. Thank you for your patience.
Delayed, huh? Figures. Snowstorms and holiday travel go together like eggnog and heartburn. You heading to Quipdale too?
Yes, I am.
I'm Oliver Grigsby, travel blogger, big fan of diners, budget hotels, and proud owner of 10,427 subscribers.
Josh Carter.
Quipdale's my final stop. But let me tell you, pal, there's no way we're making it there by Christmas. Not with this storm. You've seen the forecast, right? It looks like winter threw a tantrum and flipped the snow machine to max.
Well, I'm staying optimistic.
That's the spirit. I like that. Though between us, I'm about 73% pessimistic. Comes with the job. Reviewing dingy motels and soggy diner pancakes, it's hard to stay cheerful. You ever had a motel waffle that tastes like cardboard?
Can't say I have.
Oh, you're missing out. Anyway, Emily, that's my wife. She says I talk too much. Says it's why she stopped coming on these trips. Oliver, she says, you've got the energy of a caffeinated chipmunk.
Look, Oliver, I'm not really much of a talker, so if you don't mind.
Oh, of course, of course. Say no more. Totally fine. Don't want to be that guy, you know? The one everyone avoids because he just doesn't know when to zip it. That'd be awful. Imagine being remembered as the blabbermouth who...
Oliver.
Right, sorry, quiet mode activated. But, just to clarify, do I give off annoying chatterbox vibes, or is it more like kind of talkative, but in a good way? Emily says it's the second one, but
You know what? I think I'll grab a coffee.
Oh, good idea. You want company? I can recommend a fantastic hazelnut blend from the kiosk down by Gate 14. Really opens up the sinuses. Caffeinated chipmunk. Maybe she's got a point. Hey, Josh.
Oh, no.
Guess what? You got my luggage.
You've got to be kidding me.
Nope. Classic airport mix-up. My bag's got my name on it. Big sticker right there on the side. Yours must have been the one I grabbed. So, where are you heading now?
I'm looking for a hotel. Every flight's booked solid, and now I need somewhere to crash.
Good luck with that. It's the holidays and everything's packed. Unless you've got a reservation, your odds are about as good as finding a snowman in July. But hey, you're in luck. I happen to know some budget motels nearby.
Budget motels?
Yeah, they're not exactly luxury, but they're cheap, warm, and the roof only leaks when it rains really hard. Plus, it's way better than sleeping outside in the snow. Trust me, I've done my share of budget motel reviews for my channel.
Fine, lead the way.
You're in luck. We've got one room left.
One room, like one bed?
Yep. Take it or leave it.
Well, this is going to be fun. Roomies, we can stay up late, tell ghost stories, maybe braid each other's hair.
Please don't.
Relax, buddy. It's like an adventure, a slightly awkward, mildly uncomfortable adventure.
Seriously? You've been here for 5 minutes. How is it already a disaster? Are you always like this?
Pretty much. Emily calls me a walking tornado. Drives her nuts, but hey, opposites attract, right?
So who's Emily?
She's my wife. We've been together since college. She's amazing, smart, funny, and way more patient than I deserve. We love taking road trips together. She always brings homemade snacks, and we play these silly games to pass the time, like spotting weird roadside attractions.
Sounds like you guys have a great time together.
Yeah, but enough about me. I don't know anything about you. You're like a locked box over there.
All right. My girlfriend's name is Jen. We've been together for a few years. She's everything. Smart, kind, and somehow puts up with my bad jokes. This is the first Christmas I might miss with Jen. We always spend Christmas together, and the thought of not being there, it just feels wrong.
Yeah, I get it. I haven't spent Christmas with Emily in, well, it's been a while. Anyway, enough of the heavy stuff. Let's go grab a bite to eat. I saw a diner across the street, not fancy, but their neon sign said, "Best burgers in town." And who can argue with neon?
All right, let's go. You know, those burgers were actually better than I expected. Wait, where's our stuff? No way! We've been robbed! They took everything. Our money, our credit cards, it's all gone. And now all the flights are canceled. And we can't even take a bus back to Quipdale. Great!
Well, hey, we could look at this as an adventure. I mean, we're in a new city, right? Maybe we can...
I'm not in the mood for this right now. It's not helping.
But listen, we could look for another way, you know? A rideshare, a...
Stop, Oliver. Just stop. You're being annoying. I told you, I don't need this right now. I've had enough. I'm going to figure this out on my own. Without you.
I did it again. I just couldn't shut up, could I? I thought maybe this time it would be different. I thought Josh was actually someone I could get along with. Guess I'm just too much for everyone.
Hey, Oliver. Listen, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have snapped at you like that. I'm just fed up, you know? Being stranded here, not knowing how to get home, missing the Christmas Eve party with Jen and my friends. It's been a lot.
It's okay, Josh. I get it. This whole situation's been a mess.
No, really. You didn't deserve that. I shouldn't have taken my frustration out on you. I'm sorry.
Apology accepted, Rumi.
We need to figure out a way to get to Quipdale before Christmas. You can get back to Emily, and I can get back to Jen.
Yeah, go home. That's the goal, right? You know what? I might have a lead. I know a guy who drives a truck. He delivers stuff to Quipdale all the time. I can call him, see if maybe he's got room for us.
Look, fellas, I'd like to help, but the cab up front's got no space for passengers. It's tight as it is. But if you're desperate, I can let you ride in the trailer. It's not exactly comfortable, but it'll get you to Quipdale.
The trailer?
Yep, it's not heated and it's a bit of a bumpy ride, but it's the best I can do.
Well, it's better than walking, right? Besides, I've always wanted to experience the glamorous life of freight cargo.
Okay, we'll take it.
Okay then, hang tight and don't go messing around with anything back there. I'll get you to Quipdale in one piece.
Well, I guess this is it.
Yep, sure is.
It's been a tough couple of days, but hey, we made it. We're in Quipdale and just in time for Christmas Eve.
Yeah, you're home, and that's what matters. It was nice meeting you, Josh.
Yeah, same here. You've got a, unique way of looking at things, Oliver. So is Emily coming to pick you up?
Yes, she is. She'll be here any minute now. Go on, Josh. Jen's waiting for you. Don't keep her waiting too long.
Take care of yourself, Oliver, and thanks for getting me home.
Don't mention it. You're a lucky guy, Josh.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I get it. I haven't spent Christmas with Emily in, well, it's been a while. Yeah, go home. That's the goal, right? You're a lucky guy, Josh.
Oliver, what are you doing here? You said Emily was going to pick you up and you were going home.
I don't have a home. Emily passed away 7 years ago.
Hey, everybody!
Josh, you're home. I can't believe you made it in time. I thought for sure the storm would keep you stuck.
Took some creativity, but yeah, I made it.
And who's this with you?
This is my good friend Oliver. He's a YouTuber, a travel blogger. We kind of survived the last couple of days together. He's looking to make a new start, and he's thinking of doing that right here in Quipdale.
That's wonderful. I think you'll love Quipdale, Oliver. It's got a way of feeling like home.
And if you're looking for work, I can probably get you something at Jester Beer Brewery. We're always looking for people who can handle the chaos.
Thank you, all of you. I really appreciate it.
Okay, enough with work talk. It's Christmas Eve and we've got a party to enjoy. Oliver, make yourself at home.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a